I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. On this channel, at least 3 times a week, I share tips, tricks, and hacks that I use with my underground group of car count hackers to help them get more new quality customers, keep their existing customers, get perfect online reviews, and get more customer referrals in a month than most repair shops see all year. What's different about car count hackers? I don't tell you what to do. I give you the step-by-step details of exactly how to do it. So if you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon right next to it. That way you'll be the first to be notified every time I upload new videos. If you're new here and you don't know me, I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. I've worked with countless repair shops across America, helping each of them grow their business. As an example, Steve at Auto Edge said, I have a business coach at the moment, and his marketing ideas don't even come close to yours. John in Pennsylvania said, thank you for putting a different spin on many ideas that I have not had the same impression of in the past. I see a large number of areas I'll be getting involved in. Stephen in Champlain, New York said, I would recommend this for any shop owner who is serious about getting more new and repeat customers to assure that their business survives. If you're still not sure you want to subscribe and join the conversation, think about it this way. Your repair shop didn't come with an owner's manual, did it? At least mine didn't. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button, ring the bell icon, and that way I'll help you grow your car count, income, and profits. Talk soon. Can't wait to see you on the next video.